That's one flat bicycle tire. Don't worry. Slimes, patches, and levers are a quick, easy way to repair a punctured tube. Step 1. Using the included tire levers, work one side of the tire off the rim, then remove your injured tube. Step 2. Take the metal scuffer and scratch up the area around the tube puncture. When you're done scuffing, your tube should feel rough to the touch. Step 3. Wipe the newly scuffed area clean and dry. The drier the area, the better the patch will stick. Step 4. Peel the backing off the patch and press it firmly over the puncture. Smooth out any wrinkles and make sure no air is trapped under the patch. Check that the edges are completely pressed down and your tube is ready to use. Step 5. Before you insert your patch tube, check your tire for the puncturing object and remove if possible. Then simply reassemble your bicycle tire. Air up and go!